This is how the sound that I want to see the example of the sound if you try to record your audio, if you are going to start your podcast with iPhone only and with external microphone. So this is the sound, how it sounds. So this is how the proximity very close, and this is a little bit far, this is very far, and this is from the side, this is from another side. That I really see that the microphone comparison, how this looks like. And yeah, so let me know what you think. And this is how the exposure also. Make sure that you're not making exposure 1, but you reduce it to minus 0.3, and it will capture much better. You get a bit of shadow, and the best thing is like it's next to the window, so the quality is really good. So what do you think? Like, do you like the video? Do you want to know like how I set up this home studio? Let me make sure that you follow and subscribe this channel. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you very much for keep watching.